The gaming world is changing faster than ever, and every year we witness a new piece of technology that tries to push the boundaries of how and where we play. Among those innovations, handheld gaming has suddenly returned to the spotlight in a way nobody could have fully predicted. For years, handheld consoles were seen as nostalgic devices, something tied to the Game Boy era, the PSP days, or even the early Nintendo Switch revolution. But in 2023, ASUS shocked the world with the release of the ROG Ally, a Windows-powered handheld gaming console that gave gamers true PC-level power in their hands. Now, with the arrival of the ASUS ROG Ally 2, it feels like we are stepping into a completely new era, one where handhelds are no longer just portable toys, but fully capable, high-performance machines that can replace gaming laptops for many people. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This new device is being called the handheld that changes everything so far, and for good reason. At first glance, the ASUS ROG Ally 2 does not try to reinvent the concept of the original Ally in terms of its philosophy, but it refines nearly every aspect that fans criticized or wished to see improved. The design language remains sleek, futuristic, and gamer-focused, with customizable RGB lighting accents that remind you this is not just a casual handheld, but a serious performance-driven device. It is slimmer yet more solid, and ASUS has clearly invested effort into improving build quality, making it sturdier in the hands without compromising portability. Many players complained that the first Ally, while beautiful, felt a little delicate compared to its rivals. That criticism seems to have been taken seriously, because the second generation feels like something that could easily survive daily use without worry. One of the biggest upgrades comes in the form of performance. ASUS partnered once again with AMD, and the ROG Ally 2 is powered by a next-generation AMD Ryzen APU specifically designed for handheld gaming, featuring Zen 5 CPU cores and RDNA 4 graphics. This leap means the device is no longer just a portable console, but can easily rival mid-tier gaming laptops. Imagine playing Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield, or even the latest Call of Duty titles at smooth frame rates while holding the device in your hands. It is no longer about whether a handheld can run demanding games, but how well it can run them. The Ally 2 proves that you can have the best of both worlds, the mobility of a handheld and the raw power of a PC. ASUS also worked on thermals, introducing a new dual-fan cooling system that keeps performance stable even during long sessions. Early impressions suggest the fans are quieter while delivering much better cooling efficiency, solving one of the pain points of the original model. Battery life has been a long-standing issue for gaming handhelds, and ASUS knows this was the single biggest weakness of the first Ally. With the ROG Ally 2, they claim up to 50% better efficiency thanks to improved APU design, smarter power management, and a slightly larger battery pack. While no one expects marathon sessions at max settings on AAA games, the new device manages to provide around 3 to 5 hours of heavy gaming, which is a huge step forward from the first generation. When playing indie titles, retro games, or streaming from the cloud, battery life can even extend close to 7 or 8 hours, which makes the Ally 2 far more versatile. For once, you don't feel like you are tied to a charger all the time, which was one of the most frustrating aspects of its predecessor. Another area where ASUS has focused is the display. The ROG Ally 2 features a brighter, sharper, and more color-accurate 7.5